Hi, to turn off, restart and set up power button on your Samsung Galaxy A35, as a first step, let me show you how to turn off and restart your phone. For that, we got several ways. The first one is basic and simple. You just need to find power and volume down buttons, which are located on the right side of your phone. This is power and that one is volume down. So you need to hold them at the same time till you could see this power off menu appears on the screen. And from here, simply choose either to power off your phone. So you need to turn it off and then manually turn it back on using the power button. Or you can choose to restart your phone so it will turn off and then turn on itself. And the next way how we can turn off or restart the phone is we can access Control Center by swiping down 2 times. And now in this upper panel you should see those 3 buttons, from which you need to choose middle button, power button, tap it, and here you'll access power off menu as well. So simply choose either power off, you'll need to tap it and then tap the icon again, or restart and then tap the icon again. And of course, we can set our power button to open power off menu as well, because by default it enables Bixby. So if we long hold our power button, it usually enables Bixby, but I set mine to power off menu, so let me show you how to do this. For that, we need to open settings. Here we need to scroll down a bit till we could see advanced features, and after that choose side button. And now in this present hold section, switch from wake Bixby to power off menu, so you would see this blue dot near the feature. And now when you will be holding power button, you will see this power off menu and you'll be able to choose to power off or restart your device. And now if your phone is lagging and does not react to your tap-ins or swipe-ins, then you can just press and hold power and volume down buttons as we did before, but now ignore the power off menu. Simply continue holding the buttons till you see the Samsung logo appears on the screen, just like that. And after that, you can release those buttons and your phone will be restarted itself. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.